Uno aktin jang ke BJP Meghalaya uba Mariahom Kharkrang ula ong ba Niam kam dan Bynta ha ke bede berkekam Sain Hima Sima ha ke jelah uba Mariahom ula jubab ya ke jingkeli halor ke jingkren da menteri ng ba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ubala kenok ba kadai na ke Niam ba ke sing BJP ke syak rem ha Meghalaya Nagaland bat Manipur shu ula ong ba amsyam ladon satya kinu ki sing Niam na kinu kun hun balang ke belakang pat ba ya unu kertong lani ya kanu ke seng san pertai.
The thing is, I don't think so. Religion has got a part to play here, because none of the religious groups among the Christians, respective of denominations, do propagate any particular candidate or any particular party. Yes, one thing they do is that they always hold a special prayer meeting just before the eve of elections, where they pray that God will give wisdom to the electorates to choose the right candidate and the right party. But directly, with full confidence, I can say that none of the church are in support of a particular candidate or particular party.